Staying on the topic of tax reform, Guru, do you believe that tax rates have an impact on individuals investing either in the market or in their own businesses? And if the tax cuts are not completed, would the market slow down?
I don't think that these tax cuts are so significant that they're going to have great impact on individuals investing in the stock market. I just don't think enough cash gets freed up per se where they have this extra cash and they say, okay, we're going to put that into the stock market. You may have a situation, however, where people will use some of that savings to reinvest into their businesses, and I mean that is coming from the aspect of tax reform where there would be some lower or capped tax rates for pass-through entities such as S corporations, LLCs, partnerships, that type of thing. On the corporate side here, and when we think about the impact that this will have on the stock market, if corporations are going to be hiring more people because they do have significant tax savings, then economically more people going back to work and that can participate in 401ks, that would mean that more money would be going into the stock market. From that angle, I think there is some benefit, but I'll tell you this. If we don't have tax reform, and what I mean by that is it's only a few senators which the balance of this hangs. You know, if three Republicans vote against in the Senate tax reform, it's dead, similar to repeal and replace. So if we don't get the cuts in the corporate tax rates, which with them you could boost profits, and I think the market would react very positively to that. And I think the expectation is that the market believes that there is going to be tax reform. I think if we don't get tax reform, the market will react. We all know that there is an adjustment coming at some point. We don't know when. If we knew that, well, that would be pretty valuable inside information to have, but no one knows it. So I don't think that the market is going to react positively if tax reform fails, and the correction or the adjustment to the market that we know is coming, I believe, would be accelerated. So there's a lot hanging in the balance of us getting tax reform, not just that individuals will benefit, but the stock market could have a serious correction without it, and we need to keep that in mind, King.